This is a lungfish, and unlike other fish, it can breathe both in water and on land. However, if it doesn't surface to take a deep breath every 30 minutes, it can die from suffocation. Thanks to this ability, during extreme droughts when the water it lives in evaporates, while other fish panic, it can calmly walk to the nearest puddle. If that dries up too, it starts digging in a suitable spot, and once it reaches underground, it covers itself with mud and foam to prevent moisture loss and falls asleep. This way, it can wait for up to 5 years for the rain to return. But if the rain never comes back, it uses its last strength to crawl for days over the sand, searching for a new sea or lake.